Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the TP-Link Deco XE75. A budget-friendly mesh router that promises to bring Wi-Fi 6E performance without breaking the bank. We'll explore its design, performance, features, and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Starting off with the design, the Deco XE75 sports a clean, cylindrical shape with a white finish and subtle ripples on top. It's a familiar look if you've seen previous TP-Link models, but it does come with a new 6E logo on the front. What really caught my eye is the inclusion of 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, a step up from previous models, making it easier to hardwire your devices for faster speeds. Setup was a breeze using the TP-Link Deco app, available on both Android and iOS. It guides you through the process seamlessly, making it ideal for both tech enthusiasts and beginners alike. Now, let's talk performance. I tested the Deco XE75 in a variety of environments. It consistently delivered impressive download speeds, keeping up with more expensive competitors in our tests. However, where it fell slightly short was in upload speeds, especially noticeable in comparison to higher-end models like the Eero Pro 6E and Netgear Orbi AX6000. This might be a consideration if you regularly upload large files or prioritize high-speed uploads. One of the standout features of the Deco XE75 is its support for Wi-Fi 6E, utilizing the newly opened 6 GHz band. This promises less interference and faster speeds, particularly beneficial in densely populated areas. But does it really make a difference in everyday home use? In my testing, while Wi-Fi 6E did offer slight speed boosts, especially noticeable on gigabit internet plans, the benefits weren't as pronounced for most home users. Unless you're future-proofing for faster internet speeds or have specific devices that can leverage Wi-Fi 6E, the upgrade might not justify the extra cost right now. Wrapping up, the TP-Link Deco XE75 presents a compelling option for those looking to upgrade to Wi-Fi 6E without breaking the bank. It's reliable, easy to set up, and provides solid performance for most home environments. However, if you're looking for top-tier upload speeds or multi-gigabit support, you might want to consider higher-end alternatives. So, should you buy the TP-Link Deco XE75? If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable Wi-Fi 6E mesh router that gets the job done without the bells and whistles of more expensive models, absolutely. It strikes a great balance between performance and affordability, making it a worthy contender in the crowded mesh router market. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.